My name is Gregory. I'm from Malaysia, 29 years old. I chose to do this procedure with Dr. Rana because I came across his videos through YouTube, and yeah, so I got in contact with him, and he was very welcoming. You know, he was very friendly. So I didn't think twice. I just bought the ticket and came here, and everything was arranged. It was wonderful. I didn't specifically choose Pakistan. It's because of the doctor. Basically, I'm more interested in the doctor rather than the place.
Usually the people do is they do extraction first, then slit, then placing. Okay. Okay. What we will be doing is we will be doing slits first, then extraction, then putting back, because we want to reduce the time of graft out of the body. Okay. Okay. Yes. This will give you more percentage of success. Okay.